Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Alicia and this is Heart and Hand Creations and Events. Welcome back, guys. I'm glad to be here and I'm glad that you're where you are. Hopefully you're in a safe place and safe space, and I hope that all is well with everyone. And I want to say hello to my new subscribers. Hey guys, how are you? Thank you for tuning in and subscribing to Heart and Hand Creations and Events. Thank you so much. I like coming on here and, sharing what I know and sharing what I find out and try to do it myself and share it with you guys. The first set of projects that I would like to show you are about home decor. And if you guys want to see what that's about, don't go anywhere and I'll be back in 2 seconds. Okay, guys. The first project that I would like to put out there for a future video, the content will be on these Hennessy bottles. I did a collaboration video, which I will put up here in the top, the name of the video that I did not too long ago. It was my first collaboration. A DIY was done with this, made out of this Hennessy bottle, and it was turned into a lamp, all by a friend of mine. His name is King Boopak. KINGBOOPAC. So you have to check out my first collaboration video to see how that turned out. But he sent a second bottle over here for me to be creative with. And so that's project number 1. Project number 2 involves me using these light fixtures here. I'm not finished with it yet. Still a work in progress. But when I do a video on making this lamp, because this will go up inside like that. So, oops. But once I get that all worked out together, I'll come back and do a video for it. But I have something already for this, an idea for that. So, this right here, bought these off of Amazon. I'll put that link in the description. And it came as a set of 4, and this is only a 12-foot long cord. And this has the off and on switch on the cord. This right here, from the last video I did, and I showed you how I made a paper mache vase. And I told you to check out Eat of Essentials. I'll be finishing this project with you guys also. So the next thing that I will want to make, 3-dimensional wall art. This right here is going to be a project. And this is dry flowers on canvas. And I'm not going to tell you guys what I'm going to do with it. You'll have to tune in, wait and see. I will definitely be putting this video out very soon because I'm kind of anxious to do this. So yeah, so wall art. We have wall art coming up. A chandelier. I want to do another chandelier, and I say another one because before I started getting into YouTube, I was making a lot of stuff. So about 3 years ago, I made this chandelier. And show you. This is a topper, what I call a topper, because it could be interchanged. This has interchangeable tops. So this topper right here is a hydrangea with some tall grass and cattails. Oh, and white berries. A couple of sticks of white berries. And I have the lighting on top. So I want to make another chandelier. Oh yeah, guys, this is also what goes on top. This is what I had on top originally when I first made the chandelier. I do have another, an orange Mum's topper, but that's packed away somewhere. Oh yeah, guys. Oops, this could go on top also. I mean, to make it really, really tall. This can go up on here too. And I'll show you in the end, do a small run through of the different looks for that one piece. But these will be for the next chandelier that I'll be making. And I have 4 of these little cooking spice bowls. This right here is going to be a base. This right here is going to be the top, because this is where flowers will go inside of it like this. So that will be for the top, and candle holders will be in between the top and the bottom. We'll be doing something like this. So that's another project. I also have a project that I want to do, and it's called the Trumpet Vase, I think. I think it's called a Trumpet Vase. And that's when you have your 2 bottles, your 2 glasses, and this in the middle, like that. Trumpet vase. So anyway, guys, I'm not going to give it all away. You'll get to see, and I'll share that with you in the months ahead, in the months and the weeks ahead. I also am going to, now this right here, this is going to be a globe, a lamp globe. This macrame plant hanger, this is going to go inside. So that's another project that I'll be doing for you guys in the coming weeks. So stay where you are to check this out. Right here, guys, I wanted to share with you a light pendant that I made out of or with a green flower vase with the light and cord fixture and parachute rope. Right here we have the Black and Gold Wall Art Series, along with the Black and Gold Flower Stand Vase that I made recently. And I hope that you enjoyed the content that I put out today. If so, give me a thumbs up for a like. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and tap the notification bell so that each time I upload a new video, you will know. And guys, if you did enjoy or got anything out of the content that I put out today, or look forward to whatever I put out my content today, as far as the projects go, let me know in the comments below. And I will see you guys in the next video. Oh yeah, and don't forget to share, guys, because I heard that sharing is caring. Alright, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.